Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dama and today I have a Gucci inspired DIY bag and it came out so pretty. I have been wanting to make one for myself and I wanted to show you guys how I made it. It's really affordable compared to obviously the real Gucci bag. It really does look Gucci if you see it, and it has those kind of like Gucci vibes where it has the insects and a lot of embellishments. And this is how the bag turned out. I bought this bag at Ross. You can check out Marshalls, you can check out Amazon, eBay, you can check out TJ Maxx for really affordable bags like this one, or pretty similar ones like this one. And I bought this patch right here at my fabric store. The trimming was from my fabric store. A lot of these buttons were also from my fabric store. And these rhinestones right here, these little flowers as well with the center, white center, were from eBay. So check out eBay for a lot of these embellishments. And what else? And these flowers were actually earrings that I bought at Walmart. They were $2 and they were so pretty. And I was like, you know what? This would be perfect for my Gucci bag. So I have been accumulating a lot of this for a couple of months now to kind of, I had like a vision in my head, and I say this all the time, and it turned out just like I envisioned it. It turned out really amazing. In person, this is way prettier. And I also recommend for you guys to definitely buy this trimming on the side. It really finishes the bag. And I also added this on the side as well. It makes it a little fancier. It turned out amazing. I probably spent about $40 for this bag just making it, and it turned out amazing. So this is how it turned out. I can't wait to wear it, and I will be posting on Instagram pictures up close if you guys want to see them, so make sure to check that out at DAMAV425. And if you guys want to see how I did this step by step, make sure to keep on watching. So this is a bag that I am going to be using. This bag I bought at Ross. Make sure to check out Amazon as well, eBay for bags like this, or local stores around. And I'm just going to remove first like all the packaging it has, because I want to be able to work on the front of the bag. So I do have a couple of glues that I'm going to be using. This is the tacky glue from Arlene's. I'm also going to be using this E600, and this is the patch that I chose initially, and this is what how I kind of chose the bag, just because it's a really big patch. So this is the patch that I'm going to be using. You can also check out eBay, your local fabric store, for patches. And I have these two as well. I have a bunch of different things that I may or may not be using on my table. I have buttons, I have some keys, I have some pliers just to cut off kind of like the back of the buttons that I'm going to be using and gluing on. I have some trimming as well. I have some lace. So these are all kind of the goodies that I have in my table to see and inspire me throughout when I'm gluing them on. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using everything, but just in case I do, it's already in my table. So the first step is I am going to be laying some lace right on top of the bag all throughout here, and I'm going to be using my Aleene's tacky glue. I'm going to take multiple pieces to kind of overlay the entire bag. So I'm just going to start from the bottom, and this is going to be the hardest part just because it does have this handle and I want everything to have lace. So I'm just going to go ahead and start gluing on the lace. I'm going to go ahead and grab a brush to distribute the tacky glue just so it's nice and even and everything is grasping to the glue. So I've already laid the first piece of elastic, and it's okay if some is on kind of the corners. You can always cut that out, and make sure to pat it down really good just so everything sticks on. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. My camera died when I was doing this piece, and when my bedroom gets really hot, my camera just shuts down because it overheats. But I pretty much just grabbed some glue, distributed with my brush, and place the lace right on top, and make sure you don't put too much. Like right now I think I just put too much of it. So now all the lace is glued down. I'm gonna go ahead and add and glue on my patch, the main patch, and I've already applied plenty of glue already. So I'm just gonna center it as best as I can. Right there, maybe. Just try to pat it down so it can stick. And this glue does go on transparent after it's dried, so don't worry if you have glue kind of like on the patch. I'm also going to go ahead and add the trimming on the sides of the purse, just in case if I do add buttons and stuff, I don't want it to be too further out in the purse. So I do recommend, if you do this right here, make sure to glue it on before you do any more gluing on the edges of the bag. So I have it sitting outside just so everything dries down, just because I applied a lot of glue and I don't want to make it like super messy. So I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna be applying and gluing on like the buttons, all the extra decorations on the surrounding of the beetles. So I'm gonna just let it dry for about like 30 minutes, just because it does seem like it's taking a while to dry. So I'm going to start gluing on buttons and anything that I think I would like on top of the purse. And for buttons, I'm just going to grab my pliers and cut the back so it's an even surface, and I can lay it on top and glue it. Turned out. I really loved it. If you guys loved it as well, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you want any bag DIYs like this one, make sure to let me know down below, kind of like luxury bags. If you want any video as well, not DIY related, just let me know down below. And also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot on my Instagram stories, and also post a lot like pictures that I don't post on my YouTube channel, so you kind of get to know me a little more and know a little more in depth of what I do. So make sure to check that out. And if you happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.